Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ankit and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to know how you can choose a good domain name for your website. It's going to be a really informative video. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Choosing a good domain name has been the most difficult task for someone who is buying his or her first domain name. Because you pay money to buy a domain name, so you need to think beforehand what domain name should you have, and you also need to check that if this domain is available or not. So now, I'm sure everyone know what is a domain, right? But if some do not know what is a domain, then I'm going to explain you what is a domain. So basically, domain is the address of your website. Let's say facebook.com, google.com, these are domain names. For example, my website name is anekbin.com. So the anekbin.com is the domain name. So basically, each website has its unique domain name or unique address. As you have a house, you have a unique address. So same as each house has a unique address. Just like that, every website has a unique address which is known as domain name. Now comes another term, IP address. I'm sure everyone know what is an IP address, right? So IP address is basically Internet Protocol address. It's just a series of numbers. So IP address is a unique address of your computer. Just as domain name is a unique address of your website, IP address is a unique address of your computer. Each computer has its own IP address. Basically, in earlier times, IP address was used to address a website or a computer. But what happened was that the IP address were difficult to remember because it was just a series of numbers and it was different for everyone. So it was really hard to remember. So the domains were created so that people could easily remember your website name and directly come to your website. A domain cost around, if you're in India, it costs around 1500 rupees per year or $20 per year. There are also many premium domains, and also you can buy domains at a cheaper rate. The .com extension domain, which is the most popular domain, costs around 1500 rupees or $20 per year. Now coming back to the main topic, how to choose a good domain name. So for choosing a good domain name, you need to follow some steps. So the first one is you could keep your name as your domain name. That's the most basic thing people do. If your name is short and it's available, then it's great. You can keep your name as your domain name and you can build a personal brand. So second, you can keep your domain name related to your niche. Let's say you are in sports niche and your blog is about cricket. So you could include the word cricket in your domain name. Same as your niche is in food. So you could include any food name, food dish or item or whatever you say in your domain. To help you in this problem, I found out a good solution. I found out a really great website that would help you deciding a good domain name according to your niche. So the website name is Lean Domain Search. In this, you could include any word that you want in your domain and it would show you a lot of domain names that include this word and many other words. It mixes up two words and forms a very good domain name. Let's go to the computer and see how does Lean Domain Search works. So now, as you can see on the screen, we are right now on leandomainsearch.com. This is the website I was talking about. Here in domain name generator, here you could include any word and you'd get a lot of domain ideas recommendation. Let's say we search for the word spooky. I want spooky, the word, in my domain name. So I type spooky and I hit enter. So as you can see, I found out 4,575 available .com domains. You see 4,575 available domain ideas I get here, and all of these are available. No one has brought it. So this is an amazing website, and you can also include the popularity. You can filter your domain names right here. So let's say I really like this one, Digital Spooky. So I select this one. As you can see, here you have two options also. You can register this website right now with Bluehost. Register this domain right now, and you can take this domain digitalspooky.com, or there are a lot of domain names that you can choose. If your niche is included in digital marketing, so you can choose Digital Spooky, or anyone you just want a funky name, you can choose anyone. As you can see, there are a lot of domain names available, and all of these are .com domain names But if you want any other extension, you need to take this domain name and go to any domain provider and put it there, and you have to check if any other extension of this domain name is available or not. So now you got a lot of domain name ideas that you can go for. Go to Lean Domain Search, the link is in the description, and find out your perfect domain name. Try out some words, or you can add any other word to it, mix up and try to find out your own perfect domain name. But also remember that your domain name should be short and sweet. Don't make it too long, because too long domain names people usually don't remember. If it is a short word, then people usually remember, right? Google, Apple. So these are some short words that fits into the mouth, and it's really becomes handy. People, whenever one is communicating with other, he could speak this word. But if your domain name is too long, like 5-6 words, then no one would remember. If someone would remember, but it would be very less. So remember that domain name should be short and sweet. So now if you have decided your domain name and if you want to buy a domain, then I have a link down below in the video description of Bluehost India. You can click the link and go to Bluehost India and buy a domain and hosting. Also, why I'm recommending Bluehost India? Because Bluehost is a great company to buy domain and hosting. I personally use Bluehost. But don't go for bluehost.com, because bluehost.com is for international and Bluehost India is only for the people in India. And if you are from India, then I would recommend you to buy from Bluehost India, because you don't have to pay in credit card. You can use a net banking or debit card system to use it, and the customer support is also from India, so it's very responsive and they would help you in any way. And also they offer a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like your domain and hosting, then you can take your money back. So it's a really great deal. I have a link down below in the video description. Go ahead and buy your first domain and hosting and get started. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more such content, and share this video among those who are confused how to choose a good domain name. You can follow me on social media. All my social media handles are down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.